Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of bar designs, showcasing innovative and stylish ideas to elevate your space. We will explore modern minimalistic bars with sleek lines and monochromatic color schemes, perfect for a chic and urban vibe. For those who prefer a rustic touch, we will look at bars featuring reclaimed wood, vintage decor, and warm lighting, creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere. We will also highlight some unique designs like industrially inspired bars with exposed brick and metal accents or tropical themed setups with vibrant colors and natural elements. Whether you're planning to revamp your home bar or design a commercial space, these ideas will inspire you to create a stunning and functional bar that reflects your personal style. Stay tuned for tips on layout, lighting, designs, and to